Hey, I'm Brooke, and this is the Boys Team Ski Glove. It's from Spyder. These gloves mean business. These are some performance ski gloves. They're really nice, super duper flexible. They come equipped with Spyder Dry waterproof insert to help keep your hands the driest possible. They also have padded leather all around the hand and knuckles for added protection. They're super cushy. They're definitely going to give you lots of extra protection. You even have an over-the-cuff gauntlet here. So when your hand goes inside, it's actually going to come up over the cuff of your sleeve to help keep your wrist and arm protected from any materials that may try to get in there. It has a pre-curved articulated hand as well, so it's going to be really easy to go ahead and grab onto those poles. And they have a soft nose wipe here as well, so you can get rid of anything that might be hanging that's not supposed to be hanging. Keep those hands warm and protected, dry too, with this incredible pair from Spyder.